Imagine holding a piece of aerospace technology in the palm of your hand that weighs less than a single cup of coffee, yet possesses the intelligence, stability, and visual capability to capture Hollywood-grade cinematic footage completely on its own. For the longest time, aerial cinematography was defined by massive, heavy, and incredibly stressful machines. If you wanted professional-grade dynamic range, complete obstacle avoidance, and rock-solid wind resistance, you had to carry a massive backpack, register your aircraft under strict government frameworks, and live with the constant anxiety of flying a multi-thousand-dollar piece of equipment through tight spaces. But the engineering landscape has completely shifted. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. With the arrival of the DJI Mini 6 Pro, the boundaries between professional cinematic drones and ultra-lightweight portability have been entirely erased. For years, sub-250-gram drones were looked down upon as casual toys or starter machines for beginners. They were the drones you bought when you couldn't afford a larger rig, or when you just wanted to capture basic, shaky vacation snapshots. But DJI didn't just iterate with this new generation. They completely weaponized the sub-250-gram category. They crammed elite, flagship-tier imaging sensors, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and revolutionary transmission technology into a frame that slips easily into a jacket pocket. This forces every filmmaker, content creator, and tech enthusiast to stop and ask a massive question. Has the need for heavy, bulky professional drones officially come to an end, or is there a hidden compromise built into this ultra-lightweight chassis that you will desperately regret once you are out in the field? To truly understand why the tech and filmmaking communities are completely obsessed with this machine, we have to look closely at what is happening inside the camera housing. The imaging system on the DJI Mini 6 Pro is a triumph of optical engineering. We aren't just talking about a minor resolution bump or a generic software filter. Apple-to-apple comparisons with older generation drones reveal a completely re-engineered dual-native ISO sensor that handles light in a way that feels almost supernatural for a camera this small. Whether you are shooting in the blinding high-contrast glare of a midday sun or capturing the subtle moody gradients of twilight, the sensor retains an incredible amount of dynamic range. What this means for your creative workflow is absolute visual freedom. When you shoot in high-contrast environments, the highlights don't blow out into pure white, and the shadows don't dissolve into a muddy, noisy mess. The internal image processing architecture uses advanced pixel binning and deep learning noise reduction to deliver exceptionally clean footage even when pushing the boundaries of low-light cinematography. But where it truly changes the game for modern creators is its native, hardware-level true vertical shooting. With a single tap on your controller, the physical gimbal rotates 90 degrees, allowing you to utilize the full power and resolution of the massive sensor for vertical platforms without cutting your frame in half or losing critical pixel quality. It delivers crisp, razor-sharp, uncompromised vertical data directly to your editing timeline. But a phenomenal camera sensor is completely useless if the drone cannot stay in the air long enough to get the shot, or if it constantly feels unstable in real-world environmental conditions. This is where the aerodynamic physics and propulsion efficiency of the Mini 6 Pro become genuinely mind-blowing. When you pick up a drone this light, your immediate instinct is to worry about the wind. You assume a sudden gust over a beach or near a mountain ridge will instantly blow the machine off course or send it crashing to the ground. Yet, the updated electronic speed controllers and high-torque propulsion system allow this micromachine to fight against incredibly stiff winds with absolute ease. The drone hovers in place with a rock-solid, eerie stillness, relying on internal algorithmic stabilization to ensure that while the physical body fights the wind, your video feed remains perfectly smooth, looking as though your camera is mounted to a heavy, invisible tripod in the sky. This efficiency extends directly into battery management, solving one of the oldest and most painful limitations of compact drone flight. Historically, flying a small drone meant constantly rushing your shots because you only had 15 to 20 minutes of actual flight time before the low battery alarms started screaming. The battery chemistry